Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install macOS ColorSync for accurate branding colors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install macOS ColorSync for accurate branding colors, start by opening your Mac. Click on the Apple logo located in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, locate and click on Displays. Once in the Displays menu, switch to the Color tab. Here, you will see a list of color profiles installed on your Mac. To add a new color profile, locate the Open Profile button. This will direct you to the ColorSync folder. You can find this folder by going to Finder and selecting Go from the menu. Then, choose Go to Folder from the drop-down. Type in /library/colorsync/profiles and hit Enter. This will take you to the ColorSync Profiles directory. Now that you are in the ColorSync folder, look for your preferred color profile. If you need to install a custom color profile, you can drag and drop it into this folder. Ensure the profile is compatible with macOS. After adding the profile, return to the Color tab in the Displays section. Select your newly added color profile from the list. Your display will automatically adjust to the new colors. To ensure accuracy, you may want to calibrate your display. Click on the Calibrate button in the Color tab. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the calibration process. Once calibration is done, your screen will reflect more accurate branding colors. Finally, always check your color settings before starting any design work. This will help maintain consistency across your branding materials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.